Hey guys, just to give you an update. What time is it? What time is it? Huh? 6:20. So the tornado warning is up to 6:30. So 10 minutes more, but the wind died. Oh, let's get check out. Uh-huh. Okay, car's still okay. What the heck? Severe thunderstorm until 7 p.m. now. Okay. I'm worried about the branch on top of the Explorer. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. The roof is okay. Whoa. Whoa. Let me get my so no more tornado warning, just thunderstorms until 7. So we have what, 45 minutes of this. Okay guys, so gutom na kami dito. Kahit walang kuryente, may gas. Okay, so yun lang. Wala kaming exhaust. So bukas ang pinto. Nagutom na ako. Sabi yung anak ko gusto niyang McDonald's. Sabi ko baka mamaya wala ding kuryente yung McDonald's. Or marami nakaharang sa daan na debris nang lumabas. And buti ito, pansit lang niluto ko kasi walang rice cooker eh. Wala. Ayan, ready to eat. What time is it? Almost 8? Okay. We're hungry. And we still don't have power. Cooking noodles. Pansit. No more noodles. I think this is good. We don't have exhaust, no power, so we just open the doors, front and back. Outside, let's check it out. Okay, my son's car there. What is this? The heck? Rocky. Good thing our tree is still here, because I was worried about the Explorer and Expedition. What is this? Oh, this is from a roof. Haha. I need to check our roof. We have to check our roof. Yeah, pieces of the roof. Whoa! Our neighbor just installed Rocky. Emergency services are busy. I think our okay. I think our roof is still okay. Thank God. Hey, let's go home. Come on. piraso ng ano, oh, bubong. Time check, it's 9:46 p.m. Mukhang hindi na babalik yung kuryente dito. Nag-set up na kami dito. Yung gamit namin pang camping. Yan. Dito na kami matutulog sa baba. Yan. Inawang lang namin yung mga bin. Tapos meron kami rechargeable na fan. Nagamitin ko na rin kasi malinsangan. Tapos yung ano ko, 500 watt hours, sinacharge yung mga cellphones at saka itong ano, rechargeable na lantern. I think we're set. Good night guys, see you tomorrow. Aftermath of the post tornado warning, severe thunderstorm. People are cleaning up. Cleaning up the mess. The neighbor's fence, they just installed this. Okay, we're gonna get some gas for the generator.
Ay, ito.
Yep.
Nasira.
This guy, right? Oh,
Ay,
to.
yung ano,
Yeah, this is a new.
bago din yun.
Yeah, this is a new fence. This is a new fence.
Ay, naputol yung kahoy, kaya gumanyan.
Yep.
Ha?
Yep.
Putol na?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, to totally destroyed inside. Ay, grabe.
Ay!
Grabe.
Ganyan, dyan pala. Dyan
Grabe.
dumaan yung tornado.
Look at that.
Muntik
Ah,
na
let's go, let's go.
tayong bumagyak.
Yeah.
Muntik
Ang laki ng puno niyan eh. I did.
Pinicturean mo.
Oh. Wasak.
Grabe, wasak.
Wasak yung puno niya. This place. The fence is gone. Totally. Ay, there's a car
So,
coming.
actually, dumaan dito. Oh.
No, malakas lang talaga.
Ay, naubos yung ano niya. Grabe, naubos.
They need to redo the fence.
Oo.
Right here. Open area. Totally destroyed backyard fence.
Buti malinis yun.
Guys, lights are not working. Be careful, the lights are not working. Just
Stop
look.
ako?
No, just look. Okay, stop and go. Okay, go. Oh, ito nabunot oh.
Ay, nabunot! Shit!
Ayun, may kotse sa likod. Sign of Walgreens. Says it all. No gas. Gas. At Elon Musk gas station. Getting some gas. This tree.